In this video, I'm going to show you how to invert a mask in Photoshop. So this is actually very simple. I'm going to show you two ways of how you can do it. The first one is to first select the object you would like to kind of invert. So I'm going to click over here to this lasso tool or to the quick selection tool. It doesn't really matter. You want to choose whichever suits you best, and then you want to select the subject and make a selection. I'm going to use this tool, which is the object selection tool, and I'm going to kind of drag around it, so it's going to make a rough selection. There we go. It's not very precise, but it will do for the sake of this video. Then what you have to do, the first method would be to simply click down here once you've selected it to make a layer mask. There we go. And then you can either press Ctrl and I on your keyboard, which will invert the selection, as you can see, and if you press it back again, it will kind of reverse what you just did. Or you can go up here to where it says Image, Adjustments, and click Invert. And there we go. It has successfully been inverted.